The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 stands as a flagship luxury SUV blending timeless design, exceptional performance, and cutting-edge technology renowned for its commanding road presence and off-road capability. The AMG G63 caters to luxury enthusiasts who demand performance and exclusivity. Exterior: the 2025 G63 maintains its unmistakable G-Wagon shape with a more refined and aggressive look. It features a boxy silhouette with sharp lines and strong muscular proportions. The front end showcases a prominent AMG grille, flanked by multi-beam LED headlights. The wide wheel arches and aggressive stance further enhance its presence, while the iconic spare wheel mounted at the rear is a nod to its off-road heritage. Chrome accents and bold M badging highlight the luxury aspect of the G63, with various color options available, including matte finishes and premium metallic hues. Performance: the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 packs a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing around 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque. This power is sent through a 9-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels, making it capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. The G63 is equipped with AMG's advanced performance technologies, including the AMG Ride Control suspension system, which offers adaptive damping for both comfort and off-road readiness. It is also fitted with a dynamic select drive system, allowing the driver to adjust driving modes based on the road conditions. Interior: inside, the 2025 G63 combines high-end materials and cutting-edge technology with AMG-specific details. The cabin is spacious and crafted with leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and stainless steel accents. It features a high-tech MBUX infotainment system with 2 large digital displays that integrate both the instrument cluster and the center console. Along with a touchpad controller, the seats are designed for both comfort and support, offering a range of adjustments, and there are multiple options for customization. Additionally, the G63 offers ample cargo space, making it as practical as it is luxurious. Price: the starting price of the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is expected to be around $180,000, though it can increase significantly with customizations and additional features. The G63's price tag reflects its luxury, performance, and exclusivity, positioning it as a high-end offering in the SUV market. Safety features: the 2025 G63 is equipped with an impressive suite of safety features to ensure both driver and passenger protection. These include active brake assist, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and pre-collision assistance. Additionally, the G63 offers the latest in driving assistance technology, such as adaptive cruise control and automatic emergency braking, which all contribute to a safer driving experience both on and off the road. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 continues to be a symbol of extreme luxury and capability, offering unmatched off-road potential without sacrificing refinement. It combines exceptional performance with a state-of-the-art interior and cutting-edge safety features, making it a top contender in the luxury SUV segment. Its timeless design, coupled with the power of AMG engineering, ensures it remains a thrilling and sought-after vehicle for